Hello everyone to LearnAakash. Today we are going to learn about operators in Python programming series. So now let's open idle. Now let's open new file. So what's operator? Operator is anything that is used to operate within a values or expressions. And in our Python we have operators like this: addition, subtraction, multiplication, double multiplication, division, double division, and modulus. And as well we have comparison operator as greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, and not equal to. And we also have our logical operators. They are and, or, not. So today we are going to do all about these operators. So let's start with here. Addition is simply it adds like our normal. Yeah, subtraction is also the same thing. It subtracts. And the multiplication is also the same thing in our Python, like the math. And the division is also the same. Let's try to divide it. Yep. Okay, now let's focus about this two double multiplication. What's this? Actually this is just the power. If you write here 56 modulo 2 multiplication, that means the power 56 power. If you write now 3, it means 56 to the power of 3, it means 56 cube. Similarly we have your two operators left. This two is also a division. The first one, this one is the actual division, and this double slash means, let's try with 78 that we tried it. And this double slash means the division of quotient. It eliminates the after point. It takes only the quotient part. Yep. And similarly this modulus operator, that is the percent sign, means it takes only the remainder part of the division. We can try over here. Yep. Now we have already done this one. Now let's try with less than, equal to, this operator, comparison operator. The comparison operator gives the only two values, either true or false. Now let's try with this one. 5 greater than 2, true. Let's try with 5 less than 2, false. Similarly we can try with greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to 8, it's false. Similarly we can again try with 7 less than or equal to 8, that's true. And for equal to you need to press 2 equal, it means true. And for not equal to, you can also do any numbers. Let's try, okay, 3, that's true, because it is 5 is not equal to 3, that's true. And we have our logical operator, and or not. This also results either true or false. We'll learn about comparison operator and logical operator in our upcoming videos. We are going to learn about more. Now let's try and or not. And means if any 2 or 3 expressions are true, then it's true. else it's false. And or if either expressions is true, then it's true. Let's try with example. 5 greater than 2 and 4 less than 1. False. Since 5 greater than 2, it should be true, but 4 less than 1, it's false. If both conditions are true, then only your results true. That means it becomes false. Now try the same thing with OR operator. It comes true because if any of the operators, any of the expressions are true, then it's true. Now let's try with the NOT operators. NOT operator results the output. If it's true, then it gives false. If it's false, then it gives true. Let's try with NOT. NOT 2 greater than 1. False. 2 greater than 1 is true, and it's a NOT. That means it becomes false. Now let's try these operators in our program. Let's remove this first. Let's print it. Please enter to hello. Let's take a equals to input the value, and we know that input function takes but the by default as a string, so we need to convert it to our integer. And there is another way also to convert it, just like using int in front of input function. Let's do addition, subtraction, similarly multiplication. This means power. We can't write power because it's already a one keyword. That's why let's try it with p. Let's try the division. This means actual division. It's the actual division. Now let's try the quotient, and let's try with remainder. Yeah. Now let's print these all. Add. Print sub, or you can print it all in the one line like this, backslash n, it goes and print to the new line, and you can type p, or you can just print like this, the normal. And at last we write the input function so that we can see these commands in our command line that we are going to run from the .exe file. Yeah, and we save it in our desktop. Let's open Python and let's write here operator. And before running this, you need to know that this works only with numbers, and the comparison operator and logical operator, even you can try this with strings, and the arithmetic operator the addition and multiplication also works in a string with a different form. We are all going to learn about these in our upcoming videos, so please follow LearnAakash. Okay, now let's run. Press F5 to run. It says press enter to hello. Okay, let's try 5 and 2, and it comes in. Okay, addition, subtraction, it does it. Okay, yep. Now please press any key to exit. Yeah, that's it. Let's run with it with command line operators. You can type any value. Let's type 8 and 5. Yep, it works. Press any key to exit. If you like this video, then please like, comment, share and subscribe my video, and don't forget to press on notification icon bell so that you never miss my any upcoming videos. Thank you.